If you are editing video in 2026 and find that your exports take longer than your actual recording session, you are almost certainly doing it wrong. Most creators I know are burning hours every single week simply by hopping between 5 different apps that should talk to each other but never actually do. Today, I'm going to walk you through 5 major AI video platforms to show you which one actually fixes the real bottleneck in your specific workflow. The secret is not using more AI, but choosing the right AI for the right problem so you can get back to creating. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which tool fits what you do every week, rather than just choosing the one that sounds the coolest. Let us start with speed, because FlexClip is not pretending to be some pocket-sized genius editor for your high-end cinematic films. It is a structured video builder aimed at marketers who want speed and polish without reinventing the wheel every single time. Think of it like a massive content assembly line filled with templates, pre-built scenes, drag-and-drop flows, and a huge stock library. If you run ads, promos, or product explainers and need consistent branded output fast, this platform is specifically built for that. You simply pick a template, like a product launch teaser, and the structure is already there with hooks, feature highlights, and a call to action. Their AI script-to-video feature can turn a short prompt into a structured draft with suggested transitions and animations in under 10 minutes. The main reason to use it is for scale and consistency if you are publishing multiple social ads or campaign videos a week. But you shouldn't use it as your only tool, because it boxes you in when you need a bespoke narrative structure or custom cinematography. Next up is HeyGen, which is an avatar-first system designed to solve the problem of having to show up on camera every single day. If your bottleneck is literally you being on camera, HeyGen lets you generate talking head videos from text with AI presenters or custom avatars. You type your script, pick a voice and pacing, select your background, and minutes later you have a presenter speaking your exact lines. The lip sync is surprisingly good, the voice is clean, and you can pump out FAQ videos or daily updates without recording a single take. This works perfectly for creators who need regular talking head content but lack the time to be on camera constantly. There are trade-offs, of course, because outputs can feel a bit synthetic since micro-expressions and natural head quirks still lag behind real humans. For intimate storytelling or emotionally nuanced content, audiences can usually sense the difference. Now, if your real pain is app fragmentation like juggling, recording tools, and transcript services, Riverside deserves a long look. Riverside is essentially the closest thing to an end-to-end creator studio where you can record, edit, enhance, and repurpose. The text-based editor alone is a total game changer because you just edit the transcript and the video follows suit. Want to cut an awkward pause or a filler word? You just highlight the text, delete it, and the software edits the timeline for you. You can remove silences and apply audio enhancement that balances levels automatically, which is a massive time saver. Then you can use their magic clips to auto-generate short-form highlights with captions and framing optimized for vertical platforms. If you are a podcaster or YouTuber who records long-form content, this tool reduces the number of subscriptions and context switching you have to deal with. It does not always nail everything perfectly, but fine-tuning takes minutes rather than hours of manual labor. Then there is AI Master Pro, which is not about speed at all, but entirely about creative control and cinematic visuals. Think of it as a creative sandbox where you can generate photorealistic B-roll and multi-angle sequences. You can create effects that would otherwise require a full crew and a massive effects budget to pull off. Want an 8K sunrise over a futuristic skyline with a slow push? You just prompt it, render a few seconds, and you have your shot. This is a production layer that is great for high-concept explainers or product films where you need visuals that do not exist in stock libraries. The downsides are that it is very hands-on and requires prompt smithing to get consistent motion and lighting every single time. This tool is great for custom VFX, but it is definitely not for one-click social content. Finally, we have a video.com, which I think of as the ultimate asset factory for your projects. It is not an editor or a scheduler, but it is a very fast place to try different generative models and pull raw clips or images. Need 5 different styles of ocean B-roll to test which one fits your aesthetic? You can try multiple models side by side. It is a time saver if your process involves a lot of bespoke visual assets, but it lacks a timeline or audio mixing features. So where does Vizard fit into this mix, considering none of these tools is a one-size-fits-all solution? Vizard solves the repetition and repurposing problem by turning long-form recordings into consistent, high-performing short clips. Its AI analyzes long videos to find high-engagement moments like hooks or strong takes and auto-generates ready-to-post clips for you. You get vertical social clips with captions and clean edits that do not feel like they were hacked together. On top of that, you can set how often you want content to go out, and Vizard will queue your clips according to your schedule. This is a cadence manager, so you can be strategic without having to be hands-on every single day. The content calendar lets you manage, tweak, and publish clips across platforms from one single place. If you are a creator who records podcasts or long interviews, this turns your content into a total machine. The sweet spot is using Vizard alongside the other tools, like generating cinematic assets in a Master Pro tool. You can feed the long recordings into Vizard to auto-cut, caption, and schedule the short clips after you have assembled your other assets. Pick the right tool for the job because the edge in 2026 comes from workflow, not from piling on more software. Use the right system to turn your content into a predictable engine and plug in specialty tools where they add real value. Do that and you will spend way more time creating content and significantly less time wrestling with exports.